I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes as a business owner. First, determine your business structure, like a sole proprietorship or LLC, as this impacts your tax forms. Next, obtain an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS if your business needs one. Finally, understand your specific tax obligations, including federal, state, and local requirements, to ensure you're prepared for filing. Accurate record-keeping is crucial for business taxes. Make sure to maintain detailed records of all your business income, from sales to services. Categorize and track every deductible business expense, such as office supplies or travel, to maximize your deductions. It's also vital to keep your personal and business finances completely separate to simplify tax preparation and avoid issues. Now, let's talk about filing. You'll need to choose the correct IRS forms based on your business structure. For example, a Schedule C for sole proprietors. Carefully calculate your total taxable income and apply all eligible deductions. Remember to file both your federal and state tax returns by the deadline, which is typically April 15th, to avoid late fees. To stay compliant, remember to pay estimated taxes quarterly throughout the year if you expect to owe at least $1,000 in tax. This helps avoid penalties at tax time. Regularly review your overall tax strategy to ensure it aligns with your business growth. If your tax situation becomes complex, consider consulting a qualified tax professional for expert guidance and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.